Greetings, educators. Spin Art Fun was created to have a great way to engage all students to explore STEM and STEAM by creating an instant masterpiece that they get to keep. STEM has come a long way in the last 20 years. It's hot, and it's only going to get hotter. These four cuties are having a blast watching the spin art at Whataburger. But we have a little bit of a problem. Only 16.5% become engineers and architects. These two sisters are having a blast making spin art. But you know what happened in 2020, and we are behind. Are you looking for high-interest, self-directed, open-ended, project-based learning? We've got it. Everybody loves making spin art records. These young ladies are making giant spin art records. Here we are at the conference giving out professional development in spin art. This is Kent Crowell, and I personally invite you to contact me and let's see how much fun your group can have creating spin art and experiencing STEM.